G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Today we've got a Mercedes Benz CLK Coupe made by Realtoy in China, of course. And we're going to put a set of DUNLOP DIREZZA, or DIREZZA, however you pronounce it, DUNLOP Tyres on our nice little set of rims. We've got on our website up there shortly. This is no drilling the base as well. This is just going to be a cut and a wheel swap. And as you can see, these Realtoys, they're actually quite nice. Bring it up closer so you can see. They've got all the black paint out around all of your window frames and everything. All the decals on the back are all there and don't look too bad from factory. Just wish it had a number plate instead of Mercedes Benz. So if you could leave it like that there, just put a nice set of wheels on it. Do something with the exhaust tip, I guess. And then the front. Front's looking pretty good as well. So you could do something. Back of your mirrors, an exhaust tip, and a nice wheel spot. Easy job for the day. Alright, so we're just going to be doing this is on a Realtoy. That's what they call it. I suppose they call them like that there because they try and keep all of their models as much as to the real car. And there we go. And same old deal, I'll be running the 1.2 drill through here. The reason why I pull it down as far as I can, so that way I can make the axles that I cut off and repurpose them. Use them on many jobs then. Many jobs. You get a lot of them now that have got the short part in the centre here, in between your wheelbases, is a lot shorter and smaller, like some of them. Alright, so we're going to put that back up there. There it is there. Spin around, put the 1.2 drill in. Nice little Mercedes. Doing a few European cars, but I like the European cars. This one come up. This is the one I got a couple of days ago, a few days ago there from the UK. Alright, so we'll just away we go, just same deal through there. I've done this on many cars and I've never had an issue. Make sure you just keep your drill bit clean and just make sure that you always go through straight. Just remember you're drilling through plastic, so it'll soon find its own way if you let it. Good part about doing all this here too, if you've got those, I still do them on the tiny ones because you've got them on the whole Huskies. These tiny rivets. Yeah. Just go through one more time. 3 times to be sure. Alright. Alrighty, I'll put him back up there for a brief second. There we go. Yeah, they came all the way from the UK, that one. You don't get a lot of varieties of stuff in Tasmania. Most of the stuff there we've got to buy it online. So yeah, do the right thing by everybody. Put the axles up and have a look to see exactly where they have to go to, and screw the threaded end in right in. So you shouldn't have to basically really do any trimming on this axle by the looks of what we're saying here and seeing. Don't scratch my paint. Right. Make sure I've got the eyes in the right way so I've got the right end yet. Righto. And we'll get these little groovies going on. Some of them go in easier on others. The centre of the wheel, just the manufacturing. And I've got a little video that I will put up about that later on there, showing you some of our other wheels that we've got getting made from the manufacturer. They didn't like me taking too many videos, but I did a quick little clip that they allowed me. And if I can find any other clips, I will find them, because it'd be interesting in watching how all of these things get made, as well as the cars getting built on the assembly line. Alright, righto. There we go. Alright, my religious this is I always go from the right hand side. Yeah, look at that. Spinning. Beautiful. Could actually do with being spaced out, believe it or not. So let's have a look on the back. Let's check the back out. Been thinking about getting some background music, just gentle stuff going along. Doesn't look too bad, I guess, but that's nearly the same width as that other spacer on the other job I did before. Alright. I'll just see what we can do. Bear with me for a second. Because if we're going to do the spacer on it, the spacer on there, it's going to sit up about there. So, alright, we'll try it with the spacer. If not, we'll put them on without the spacer, and then we'll mess around with it later on in the piece. Because when you get the spacers involved, it sort of takes a bit of the time up of the video, but we'll just get one out for the moment and test it. Make sure we're doing the right thing for the car. Just hold that axle there just so I can push that spacer on it. There we go. Right hand side. There we go. Still spinning beautifully. Yeah. That's what needs to happen, I think. We need to have the spacer on both sides. Let's test it on the back. Spacer filled up the guard nicely. You could actually do with being sanded back a little touch, I think. Just stop shaking, I'll be right. Get back end there. Yeah. Yeah. Right, we're going to get 4 of those out, and we've got to sand 4 of them. Alright, I might as well do it all now, I guess, and have it like that there. So get this here set out. There we go. Eventually, yeah, that's why I want to have some background music going. Saves me having to talk too much. And yeah, just bear with me while I'm just going to have to get a bit of glue happening here. Will. Bear with me 1 second. But even my turntable's pulling the pin on me. Must be too late in the day. I don't know what's going on here, but right, now I'm in trouble. So it's going to go right away with the joint. Trying times a lot. Yeah, that was going to happen. Always does without fail. Right, that over there for the moment. These ones here will be setting up a little bit different. as opposed to the other ones. Yeah, so okay, we've lost an axle. We're having an earthquake. No, we're not. But I've lost the axle. That's not it. Well, this has turned into a disaster. How far the axle went? It'll roll off somewhere here, in amongst all of these others. That's what normally happens. How the two axles out, for heaven's sake. Okay. Alright. Trying times. Let's get another axle. Been messing around. Trying to get an axle out of this packet without 50 million other things falling out of it. Right. Sorry folks, I'm messing about here now. Oh, you drop it now and I'll lose my port. I just do not know whether that axle went. Probably rolled off and went underneath the bench, has it? No. God damn. Do you know why? Jeez, I think I need more medication. The axles are both in the rims. Alright. Now I've got to put that somewhere or I won't lose it. Best off back in the packet. Where it come from. Alright. So much for a quick wheel swap here. I'm messing around. Right. Okay, what I need to do is now, so I need to actually get that onto the beads. I need to get these little spaces. I need to get another 3 of them out. You can get these in different colours. So you can get black and grey and like that there to match your bases if you don't want to go clear. I could only find clear when I went out there, so I didn't want to mess around too much. And I thought, oh well, clear's neutral, that's alright, it won't look too bad. So then we get another axle. And we'll get our little file. And we'll put one of these on the wire axle, like that. Just hold them like this. Onto there. And then we just put him down onto the file. And then just go like this to file it down a bit. Just back and forth. To get the bead down. Meanwhile, I'd normally do this on the bench, this sort of stuff, not freehand up in the air. You can get these in different sizes, these spaces. You see where we're at with this one here. Okay, it's sitting there, not too bad. Alright. What we're going to do is, they'll sit there alright there now. What I've got to do is, I've just got to just spreading this rim out just a little touch wider, and I don't have this area over there to do that, so I've actually got to do it this way here. Now, little tiny bit of glue in there, that's all you need. Don't go overloading it. If you overload it, you'll know all about it. Be careful with super glues, they can end up leaving a smoky residue on you, for you. Alright, that's glued into place. Now, spaces that'll fold down there. The other ones I've folded before, so here it goes. And we come from the right hand side onto the front. I didn't look putting in the wrong hole. Oh. There we go. Right. Get the other side spaced up. Try this little trick here. Not so much of a trick, but try and get that bead on there. No. Bear with me. I'll just, there we go. Got him on. Got him on. Got him on there. There we are. It's on there. Righto. They're the same on the back end. Bear with us for a second, folks. Just drop that little bead off for a brute nut. Put that up there with the other one. There we go. And I've just got to put this in with a little drop of glue because I need the axles to be just a little bit. So I'll just unscrew the wheel off there gently. And I put it there. Put a bit of the glue on a little wire axle. A little tiny bit. That's all you need. So you don't go putting it all over the place. And then if any of it comes out there, just go like that. Bump it off. Don't hold it there and stick your finger to the wheel. I think we've all stuck ourselves to the job one or two times in the past. That's it. And dry there. I'll pick up the little bead now. That's it. When you want to pick up one, you can't. Right, that was a fluke. That was close to not getting that on there. Put him up onto air. Here we go. Got a little spacer for the other side. There we go. Well, look at that. Get that on there. Straight on. Spacer world. There we go. Alright. Sorry about the hold up and everything, guys, but yep. There we go. Beautiful. All done at last. Thank God for that. It's a bit more of a mission than I thought it was going to be. The back end could probably do with being a the spaces down a little tiny bit more. But as in saying that, it still worked out alright. It's still looking pretty cool. Oh, there we go. Get the original rims off. Sorry for the hold up, guys, and messing around. But there we go. We got it all done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And we'll come back to you soon with another one. And we're getting pretty close to having a few of these other videos joined up with the ones that we've painted and everything. So thank God we're getting there slowly. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.